In this video presentation, we are discussing the basics of the language JavaScript. JavaScript is one of the most popular scripting languages on the internet. It was developed by the famous computer engineer Brendan Eich for Netscape. JavaScript is a dynamic programming language. Dynamic means it can be easily modified or updated. JavaScript helps the web developer to manipulate or modify the browser and its contents. Remember, JavaScript programs are used with our HTML web pages itself. That means HTML alone cannot modify or update a web page. Thus, we are using JavaScript language along with the HTML to make the web pages more handsome and pretty. That statement is very important. We use JavaScript along with the HTML to make the web pages more interactive and attractive for us. Okay, so JS is interactive, dynamic, and web pages can be modified by using JavaScript. One more point. JavaScript can be used with any of the web browsers, say Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, Chrome, and Opera. We know well about our basic HTML tags such as HTML tag, head tag, body tag, etc. We are recalling the same tags again here for our HTML programs. Why? Because I already told you JavaScript we are using along with the HTML programs. Now let's study about JavaScript and understand how it is useful in creating interactive and dynamic web pages. We may go through the syntax first. The JavaScript statements are placed within the script tags in a web page. The script tag tells the browser that the text placed between these tags are part of JavaScript. Because all other tags are HTML tags, when we include the script tag, the browser will automatically know that we are going to use JavaScript. Repeating, we add the script tag together with other HTML basic tags, so the browser will understand the remaining program is a part of JavaScript. The script tag is placed between HTML body tags. The script tag has two important attributes. What is attribute? Attribute is a piece of information which determines the properties of a tag, or in simple word, attribute means additional information, a feature, a property, something like that. Anyways, script tag has got two important attributes, two important properties, two important features. First one, language. This attribute specifies the scripting language that is being used. Its value is JavaScript. But the recent version of HTML does not use this type of attribute. The name of the second attribute is type. This is the attribute that is using nowadays to specify the scripting language. Its value is text or JavaScript. The value is text or JavaScript. So here is a sample JavaScript program. We are familiar with all the basic HTML tags that are used in this program, such as doctype HTML, HTML, body tag. So we already studied the script tag that are used for JavaScript is placed between body tag. So after the body tag, we write the script tag. Thus browser will understand JavaScript is started. Both the two attributes are used here. As you can see, language is used, its value is JavaScript, as well as type is used, its value is text or JavaScript. Two attributes are used, language, value JavaScript, and type, its value text or JavaScript. Then after that, we are writing the statement that will appear in a web page. For writing the statement in JavaScript, we are using alert statement. We are using alert statement to write a particular text in a web page. Instead of the alert statement, in HTML we use document.write statement. Here in JavaScript, to add a text, we use alert statement. Here in this program, inside the inverted commas, hello, good morning is written. So whatever matter is written inside the inverted comma after the alert statement, it will be displayed exactly on the web page. The alert statement is used to add text in JavaScript and to display the same on the web page. Here comes the output of the web page. The message "Hello, good morning" is displayed here.